In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of your Google Sites by customizing your URL for a more professional and personalized touch. If you've been working on creating a site and are ready to publish it, but want to optimize that online address, then you're definitely in the right place. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. To do so, simply open your web browser and type in Google Sites, or directly enter the URL sites.google.com. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can see all the sites you've created or manage any new projects you might be working on. Once you're on the Google Sites dashboard, locate the site you want to publish or update. You'll notice a Publish button prominently featured at the top right corner of your screen. It's important to remember that this is where the magic happens. But before you hit that Publish button and send your site out into the world, there's one key step to consider: customizing your site's URL for a unique web address. To begin customizing, look for the drop-down menu next to the Publish button. It's like your secret portal to additional settings that allow you to personalize your site. Click on this drop-down arrow, and from the list of options that appears, you'll want to select Publish Settings. This will open a new window where you have the opportunity to make your site's URL both catchy and memorable. Once you're in the Publish settings, you'll see a field where you can add a custom name for your web address. Keep in mind that this is the address people will type into their browsers to access your site. So choose something that's easy to remember and aligned with your site's purpose. It could be the name of your company, blog, or any creative word or phrase that reflects your website's core essence. Also, take a moment to ensure that your chosen name is available. You might need to try different variations if your preferred option has already been taken. After you settle on a fitting URL and finalize your settings, go ahead and confirm your choices. Once this is done, you should see a confirmation or success message letting you know that your site's publishing settings are saved. Your site is now ready to go live with a customized professional URL that viewers can easily access. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of customizing your Google Sites URL. A few simple steps can make a significant difference in how your site is presented to the world. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your site's presence on the web. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on making your Google experience as seamless as possible.